Good morning. Welcome to TnT Website Workshop, brought to you by Website Royalty from the My Sexy Business team. Good morning, Jill.
Good morning, Kim.
So I want to point out really quickly that Jill is one of the leaders of Website Royalty, and she has all kinds of magical answers to questions. I'm going to say that. So she is tag teaching with me this morning. And in case you haven't already heard my big mouth before, I am Kim White. I'm the founder and fierce leader of the My Sexy Business team and mastermind community. So I'm the troublemaker, the instigator, all those things in this party. So let me just put that out there, and Jill will be my witness to that. So Jill, we're talking TNT. We're talking about blowing up the hard in website building because it can be simple and easy when you know the formula for a dynamite website. You have any starting words this morning before we get right into this?
Ooh, let's see. So, yes, I know websites can seem so hard because of all the things that we may not know going into it. But I know when we are done with this, it's broken down so well into such a simple process to understand how to set it up before even getting into the depths of what builds your website. So, super excited to get through this presentation today so we can figure out how to do it easily.
And you, sweet listener, you can do this. We just want to encourage you with that.
Definitely.
So let's go into what TNT actually means. TNT is the treeing and tech, which equals a dynamite website. There are two parts to a website that will blow up your credibility, sales, and impact. Treeing is the process of designing what you want your website to look like, how you want people to feel when they visit, and the functions you want to include, like a storefront or booking access. Number two, the second part of the TNT is the tech. It's the machine that brings your tree to life. And let us just give you a quick heads up. Frustration is what comes when you start with the tech first instead of the treeing. So, Jill, you have anything to add to this first part?
Well, I think your note about frustration is definitely something to be aware of because I feel that so many of us can attest to that with any of the things that we put into our place for our businesses. If we take that step back and look at how we want to plan it out, it's going to definitely lessen that frustration we might feel because I've done it both ways. And treeing is definitely the way to go, in my opinion. So take notes.
Thank you, Jill. And we're going to break this down some more because just hearing those words, you really it doesn't tell us everything. But let us break this down even more for you.